So guys, do you know your system is constantly sending and receiving data on the network? So in this video I will show you how to capture and analyze the traffic using Wireshark. So just I will open the Wireshark. So guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a practical demo of Wireshark on a single system. No complex setup, just real traffic analysis. So just you need to open the Wireshark. Then once, if you are on Wi-Fi, just suppose I am just using a Wi-Fi for my internet traffic, so just I will select here Wi-Fi. If you are on the Ethernet in other local area connection 3132, so that interface you need to select. So just once I click on the Wi-Fi option, now the capture has started. All the packets you see here are real-time network traffic from my system, but right now it's random. So let's generate some meaningful traffic. So I will open a browser. I will visit a website. So I will visit website facebook.com. So you can see that is getting blocked. So I will open nokri.com. Just I will click on nokri.com and just it will, you can see that my nokri.com website is opening. So just I will do its NS lookup and I will check what is the IP, public IP I am getting. So NS lookup and nokri.com. So this IP I am getting. So just I will search this IP in the my Wireshark, means if this website is not able to access. So for that troubleshooting, so you can see that just I will type here IP dot dst equal to, so you can see there is no traffic I am seeing. So I will search 0.88. So you can see that means there is two IP for this website after NS lookup. So you can see that this is the traffic for my nokri.com. So suppose there is one website that is you are not able to access. So for that troubleshooting, Wireshark is the most effective tool. So this filter shows only traffic related to my specific website. So you can see that just you this is the my source, that is 1.107 is my source and 23.213.0.88 is my destination. So just I will click on the right click on it, and in the follow you can see there is TCP stream option. So in the TCP stream option you will get all the data. This is the encrypted, but here you can see there is the from entire data you can get from, this is the from means from my source, the laptop to internet, that nokri.com, and what I am receiving from this website. So this entire data you can get it. So this is the ACI format, C arrays, you can all the data what type you want. So I will explain what is the C arrays, all the things in the my next video. So I will show, if you want to, you can see this is the my all traffic. So you can see this is the my light traffic. If you want to stop the traffic, you can click here on the red option. So you can see there is the TCP traffic, TLS version 1.2. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And so this is how you can use Wireshark on a single system for a packet analysis. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. So here you can get time, source, destination, protocol, length, informations, means what is the, it is TCP packet, UDP for packet, and all the data related. It means you can see here the source, you can get also source MAC address, internet protocol. So what is the header? So all things I will explain you. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, thank you for watching my video.